Mothership is on Monday. Sorry. It's Tuesday, so I'm here. Thank you all for being here. I'm Aaron. I'm the community manager here at Capital Factory, where we have over 100 events per month. This is for sure one of my absolute favorites. I've pitched on this stage with my second startup probably 2.5 years ago, and before exiting that and joining the Capital Factory team. We are a community. I mean, I see Melissa right here in the front. My friend Matt just came back from Poland over here. Anwar back from Kazakhstan. Geez. And I mean, even I know what happy hours to go to because of Happy Hopper app, which is Will's company, and his team from New York just moved here. And we have an amazing group of mentors that can support you on your journey. That's why we exist, is to put the right people in front of you at the right time. We call it manufacturing serendipity. If you were here today, I wrote it down because I was never going to remember this, just like my jokes when I perform. Let's see. Today we had the International Intelligence Oversight Forum representing over 20 countries, just walking through the space. If you're a fan of chocolate, the CIO of Hershey's was here today. Like that he's the one who put Oreos in Reese's. Okay, he's this. So like they're here. We had the executive team here from Chick-fil-A last week to talk to robotics companies and putting robots in your drive-thrus at Chick-fil-A, which is going to be a very awkward experience when a robot says, "Have a blessed day." Like, my pleasure. It's like, you don't have pleasure. You're a robot. Anyway, along with the mentors, which we have over 200 founders who've started, scaled, exited their company, or they're an industry expert. We also have our Slack channel where all 3,500 members meet online. We have co-working space. We have office space. We have early access, discounted access, and private access to different events here at Capital Factory. We'd love to have you be part of our community. And it's these events too, like there's so many good ones all the time. FIESTA is the best one. I'm gonna start there. Take the deal later. Just kidding. Cool. But there's also so many fun ones. We have Tech and Tequila. We have Founder Therapy. We have Meet Your Co-Founder. Not here, but close by is Your Startup Sucks, which is a pitch roast. If you need to come down to earth a little bit, talk to Julian about that. He's here. Where are you, Julian? You had to go write jokes because he can't think off the top. Got it. That's cool. If you want to get in touch with me, scan the QR code, email memberships@capitalfactory.com. That comes to my team and I. We also have a public tour starting after Thanksgiving every weekday starting at 10 a.m. So it's really easy to come in and check out the space, see what we can do for you. You never know who you're going to bump into on your tour. And we look forward to talking to you more. So memberships@capitalfactory.com. Thank you all.
Thank you, Aaron. So we really appreciate